It may be improve your performance. Okay, there is a things to resolve certain issues. We are need required to change to betterment of your application. Maybe you require to change some code, right? So you do mobile phone update, laptops updates will happen. So that is also comes under change, upgradations, replacements, casual changes. These are all comes under change management. I will explain what is change management, but what is a change? So you do any upgradations, updates, or replacements. Okay, so this R comes under change. For example, I have a database, sir, or I have to change the database certain things. So then it may give more efficient access, or maybe more data can be inserted in it. That is also a change management. Maybe changing a piece of code, changing of an application version, changing of server, change of cable. Okay, so it is for the to resolve any issues, updates, and upgradations. And what is the next one is service request. Of access permission. I want a printer access. I want a remote server access. I want this particular virtual machine. I want to create some EC2 instant in my AWS cloud. Okay. I want to get a internet connectivity. I want a VPN connectivity. I want to increase my internet speed, or maybe I want to access the file server. It is a request for from a user for a information or advice or standard changes or access to the IT resources. They will do service request. Okay, guys, understand what is change, service request, incident management, problems, workarounds.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So read once the
Yes, sir.
statements what it is. Okay, give me a minute. So then I will explain one by one event like that. Just read once.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you can start from event. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence that's significant for a IT infrastructure management. What are the things? So I given a mixture of kind of stuff. Later we can able to separate it. Okay. Transaction successful. It is an event. Transaction failure. It is also an event. Error. It is also an event. Backup is successful. Backup is failed. Okay. So backup is successful. It's a kind of information type. Backup failure. It is a kind of error. In a backup devices, in the there is a backup devices. So the backup devices, the device do not have space to store. So you have to change the storage. So I am giving one example, that is simple example you may have seen, that is you are taking a printout from the printer. There is a 10 pages, but you given a 15 pages print, but only 10 pages are there. So for 10 pages printed and no papers in the printer, what it will shows? It generate a warning. Yo, this is does not contains a paper. So like a warning. So backup is you have taken a backup. In a backup storage, the storage space is not there. It generate a warning. No storage space. Please change the storage location. Okay, or allocate more storage space. It's a warning. It's not a failure. It's not a successful. Okay. So if I will show you this disk. See this. This is my disk. See the D drive, only 8.2 GB free space. Even a C drive is also, yesterday it is red color. Now it is blue color because I have deleted some data from it. D drive showing red color. Why? Because of I have some data in it, so that is causing more spaces. This is a virtual machines. And these are all virtual machines. The total weight is around more than 100 GB. It is 312 GB. Really? What's a D drive? So only this data it is more than 300 GB. So only 15 GB remaining. Okay. So if I delete this folder, I will get a free space. Of course, I should not delete it because I have a important virtual machines are there. Some are not required, like this. It is not required at all. Okay. So it is 3.2 GB only. But there is a server. Yeah, this is the server. It is 20 GB space. If I delete this one, and it is not required, that practical is completed. If I delete that one, so obviously I will gain at least 20 GB free space from it. What is this meaning? It's a warning. It's not error, it is a warning. Okay. So events are generated in the system to show you that there is an issue. Okay. It may be a successful, like information related, or warning related, or error related. That is for a system. But what about your infrastructure? I already told you have a big infrastructure. Think like this. You have a organization maybe located in one place or maybe located in a multiple places also. This is your infrastructure. Okay. What is meant by infrastructure? You have a data centers, meaning in your data center you have a servers. Different types of servers are there. Okay. Maybe a web servers, virtualization servers, okay, or maybe it is a application servers, or maybe a database servers, and you have a backup storage devices and storage devices. Okay, you have a networking components like a switches, routers, okay, firewalls, VPN connectors. Okay, You have a infrastructure either in one single location or maybe it is in the different locations. But what is you have to do is there is a monitoring system. In the monitoring system, they will monitor each and every device from one single dashboard. Okay, they use a single dashboard. In this system, they will see is these PCs were running or not. Is these PCs what is the resources utilization of this PC? What is the status of this networking devices? What is the how many virtual machines running in this particular PC? Okay. So what is the load on this particular PC? What is the load on this particular application on this particular server? So we can able to monitor from here what is the storage status, what is the network device status, what is the domain controller status. I can able to see their system and their information from it. Anything goes wrong, for example, the server is down. Immediately there is a alert will generated. Yes, this server is now not responding. So immediately we can able to understand, yes, this is a issue. This is a issue like this. Or maybe there is a disk is full in the storage devices, disk is full. Immediately will generate warning. Yeah, this is a particular disk is full. Or maybe a disk is failure, write controller failure. So this is what happens. So we can able to see what is going on with your infrastructure using centralized monitoring system. Using centralized monitoring system. So when you do monitor, you can able to see these events occurring at your infrastructure level. Anything has a proper significance, then based on that we will do it. For example, internet is back online. It is an event. Internet is connected. Disk is online. It is event. So then it is a kind of information type. Disk is full, memory full, server busy, network is slowing down. More number of network traffic on a switch or a router. It's a kind of warning. So we'll understand what is going on with your infrastructure, about your storage, about your servers, about your network kind of stuff. If server is down, network is down, internet is disconnected, it is a kind of errors. So again, we will understand what is happen, what kind of errors we are getting. So based on that, we can able to give that information to the a proper service desk person related to that field. He will go in to resolve that issues to make sure that your infrastructure is every item, every component in your infrastructure must be run okay, must be run without errors and warnings. If anything issues occur, we will be getting know by your centralized monitoring system. Guys, understand what is the event management?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, guys, I said events. So, events are generated from different components in your infrastructure. We can able to see through the centralized monitoring. And based on that event, we can able to do some tasks. Like we can tell to a specific team peoples to resolve that related issues. Okay. So there is a lot of monitoring tools are there. One of the monitoring tool name is Op Manager. And this Op Manager organization given a demo link for us. Demo.op manager. Really, I have a one Nagi OS and Zivix monitoring tool system. Of course, it is not working right now. I don't know why Nagi OS is not working. So definitely it should be work. But it's better for understanding in the level of organizational level, enterprise level infrastructure monitoring. So better we can understand from this demo link, demo.opmanager.com. You see there is a administrator and operator. Any account you can choose it, it automatically log into you. So you don't need to give any username and details here. So once you open this Op Manager, I log in as a administrator. Of course, administrator can able to modify things and operator cannot. Operator can able to see the dashboard. Guys, this is the dashboard, the newer dashboard of Op Manager. Earlier dashboard is little different. That is the newer dashboard. If you see the business view, this is the first business view. Look at here. This is completely worldwide business units places. So different places, different regions, we have our data centers. What is their status? You can easily understand the green color represents it is okay, clear. Maybe issue is earlier, now it is clear. These are green color points are working good. Red color points are having problems. It is recent alarm Cisco memory utilization 75%. Okay, like this. Red colors, see, yellow colors, attention required. See, yellow colors, attention required. It means there is a warning. You should go and check what is happened to that one. This is in the trouble. This is attention required. And this is in the critical position. One second. Okay. It's a checkpoint firewall issues. Okay. So this is overall infrastructure map in the that organization. Some organization we don't know which organization it is. You can able to closer look. What is their connectivities? How they are connected? What is their devices and their statuses? You can able to see different offices. It is. This is region one, region two. In the region one and region two, different offices, different places, different offices. It's a different space. You can see here it is some location. It is some location. The links also you can able to see how it is there. Okay, this is a notifications, new events. See this events running. Okay, it's a total map of organization and their devices and how it is there. This is availability, health, and alarm summary. So device down as availability. This is now 0. Active alarms, health status. There is a problematic 58 devices are there out of 112. Okay, these are the devices and their status. The green color means it may have an issue. Now it is no issues. It's a good. And their interface status is good. Here it is certain interfaces having problems. The some are required attention also. This is heat map. So this green color represent the 51 issues are completed, cleared. This is on the trouble. This is need an attention. Okay, 33 are in a critical position, and there is a two services are down. Okay, this is unmanaged. 10 are trouble. 14 are required attention. Like that we can able to see, and also you can see from here. For example, you want to know attention required. 14 attention required. If you click here, automatically it will take the specific server. So this is that server. See that server you can able to see from here. It is running in vCenter. It contains two hosts. One is attention required, another one is critical. 27 virtual machines are running inside. 5 data stores are there. Okay. Devices down. See, can you able to see the device names down since and which time period? Of course, the data shows in a 2023. It's almost like a 1 year down. It's not like that. It is. Okay. What are the devices are down? Down since. What's the downtime for that one? Interface is down. Device is there, but their device interface is down. What are those interfaces? What is the device name? What is the interface name? And down since. Layer to map is given so based on the connectivity protocols. What are the alarms? There is a 10 alarms. Okay, 8 are critical. One is attention. One is in trouble. Totally 10. This is like a alerts. It is showing there is a 48% memory utilization threshold is 40. It is crossed the threshold level under the switch. Okay. And here also you can see there is a CPU utilization is 88%. Threshold level is 40%. Current adaptive threshold is 60%. It means you can reach up to 40, max to max 60. Don't cross the 60, but it is crossed 60. It went to 88 for this server one. Okay. So we can see those things like this is a domain controller. Same memory utilization is 76%. The highest threshold level is 75%. Its CPU utilization for this server is 81%. Okay. And also you can see interface bandwidth utilization. The bandwidth utilization of these interfaces is go up to 93.5%. It is a red critical situation. It is. These are interface bandwidth utilization is lesser. WAN link availability distribution. So all are available. Okay, 100% available. These are the interface exceeding kind of stuff. Can you see there is an infrastructure tree? In your organization, different components are using by different companies. For example, there is a Broadcom, maybe a printer type. Keran printer is there, that is also having problem. Okay. Meraki security. Desktop, out of three, one is having a problem. So which is having a Windows 11. This system is specifically needing attention. Okay. So what is this uh, Op Manager? Op Manager is a tool, a software which is used to monitor your infrastructure centrally. So by monitoring, you can able to understand what is going on with your organization, their infrastructure, and the devices and devices status, device performance like a connectivity or maybe a storage related or maybe CPU utilization, memory utilization kind of stuff also we can get it. As a device is on and off. For example, router is on or off. What is a CPU utilization? What is the status? Is it connected, not connected kind of stuff. So we can able to get it and see clearly about it, and we can take an action according to that issue. Okay. So this is a plain dashboard. You can go to inventories, you can go to network servers, physical servers, virtual machines, virtualizations, storages, alarms, maps, like that. You can able to see in individual part. Network all devices. So then I will want to see only network related. So this is a all network devices and their connectivity and statuses. I can. Guys, understand what is the use of this op manager?
Yes, sir.
If possible, you can also try once about a op manager. Op manager is a centralized monitoring tool. So by monitoring, we can able to get events. So what is happening with your infrastructure, status of your devices, performance of your devices, connectivity of your devices, and connectivity status, utilization of your resources utilization by the infrastructure devices. We can able to get it through Op Manager. Yeah, already understand alert because anything goes wrong, it generates alarms or alerts. When you see an alert, and based on the alert type, you will go and verify those things. So here is, it's not a down, it is just a alert. It is generating 80% CPU utilization. So what is the messages? See what is this happening. So when it is more utilization, when is less utilization, we can understand from here. So this root cause analysis, workflows and not, if it is there, you can able to see. Okay. Alerts again, what is it? Maybe it is a warning related or error, or maybe certain changes happen. What is this change status? You can able to get it through alerting system. It is kind of notification or a display kind of stuff. You can able to see and understand what is happening. Okay. What is a incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT services. What is unplanned interruption? Your server is down, so users cannot able to access the service. For example, a website is down. You are accessing w3schools.com. W3schools.com website is down, or maybe YouTube is down. You can't able to access, right? So it is unplanned interruption. Suddenly, without any warning, a, a services become unavailable. Um, for example, you take IRCTC website. Evening 11:30 to 12:30, night 11:30 to 12:30. So it is go for a maintenance. So you try to access after 11:30, it shows system is under maintenance. So be back at 12:30 because it is a pre-planned every day at 11:30 to 12:30. It is called a planned downtime because that is a maintenance time, planned downtime. They are giving already, so you cannot able to access. I use a Cisco learning sites like a Skills for All or a Cisco Academy sites are there. So when I go there, sometimes it will show warning from this particular date to particular date, the service may be unavailable. Sorry for your inconvenience, like that. So what is the meaning is it's a planned downtime. What is unplanned downtime? Suddenly services become unavailable. You can't able to access it. Okay. So it is not having any plans. Then it is unplanned downtime or a unplanned interruption to the IT services. Example, server is down. You didn't expect suddenly server stops functioning, so the service will be automatically stop working. Network is disconnected. Disk is offline. VPN is disconnected. Unable to send emails. Unable to log in. Password PC is not working. Internet is not working. Means regularly it is working. Now it is not working. Like it is incident, unplanned interruption to the IT services. If in case any incident is occur, what you will do? You'll go and fix it. Issue is occur, so issue is occur, no problem. We'll see tomorrow later. Like it is won't happen. Any issue is occur, any interruption is occur in the IT services. Obviously, we'll go and fix it. We'll fix it. So that we call it as a workaround. What is a workaround? Temporary way to overcome the issues. If you fix it, the main the IT services won't be stopped. Okay, it may impact if you delay to the fix the issues, then it may causes more impact on the customers. Okay, so that is incident and workaround. Guys, understand up to here? Okay. No one is giving. Okay, what is a problem? Problem or a problem management. Okay, unknown root cause of one or more incidents. Guys, any issue is occur, we have to take it as a incident only. Any issues occur. Server is down, internet is down, okay, storage is down. Everything is an incident. Any issue is occur, it is a incident only. But what is the problem? Okay, finding an unknown root cause of the incident, either one incident or a multiple incidents, unknown root cause of the incidents. Finding what is the root cause of incidents and regular maintenance. Okay, okay, or maybe a continuous occurrence of incidents are there. So there is a root cause. So if you resolve the root cause, it may number of incidents may reduces. Some sentences I noted down here, so that is also important. This is by taking some preventive measures or regular maintenance, so that occurrence of issues become lesser. So that is what we call it as a problem management. Okay. So one time or two time it is we are getting incident, but incidents are repeating. So there is a definitely a root cause. You find a root cause and resolve the root cause. So then you are